Hello, my name is Rizky from the Java team with 12 of my friends at DigiLabs Data Science Foundational Program, Singapore International Foundation. Today, we are going to present our data exploration for the mini project of the week 5 assignment. And the topic we're going to present is data of campus recruitment on academic and employability factors that influencing job placement for college student. Next. The first one, I would like to introduce our team to Java. We are a 3-person team consist of 3. We are Hafiz Firmansyah, Asep Purnama, and me, Rizky Palosa. Next. The data that we will be looking at consists of student placement data on a campus in India. It covers percentages and specializations from secondary and higher secondary schools. It also contains information about degree specializations, work experience, as well as the sum of annual salary. Next. The goal of this data exploration are shown below. The first one is to identify which specializations are demanded by corporations. And the second one is to identify whether the employability test score is a good placement predictor. The third is to identify whether work experience helps a candidate to get a job placement. And the last but not least is to identify mean salary between degree and MBA specialization and the gender. Next, the data visualization will be presented by my friend Hafiz Firmansyah.
First, we compare whether which specialization are demanded by corporation. And from the data, we got that for degree specialization, the most demanded is the communication and management specialization, as you can see from the graphics, which shows communication and management has the highest number of students that are getting a placement. And then for MBA specialization, the most demanded is the marketing and finance specialization. Next. And then we also try to identify whether employability test score is a good job placement predictor. And from the histogram, we got that there is a trend that the higher your employability test score are, the smaller the number of students that are not getting a placement, as you can see from the graphics, especially when the student score are above 70 or 75. So this can be an indication that the higher your test score is, the more likely you are to get a job placement as a student, according to the data. Next. And then we identified whether work experience has any effect to job placement. And from the data, we got that most of the students who had a work experience are getting a job placement, as you can see from the data. Next.
Okay, the next is salary comparison. We compare a salary between female and female, both of field of education and MBA specialization. From the data, as we can see that female has a relatively higher salary than the female in terms of degree education field and MBA specialization. Science and technology have a higher salary than the other education field. And then marketing and finance have a higher salary than other from MBA specialization. And the last is conclusions. The number one is communication and management are the most demand undergraduate specialization, while marketing and finance are the sought after for MBA graduate. The number two is the employability test score can be utilized as a placement predictor since it is indicated by a gap between placed and not placed status gradually increasing from the smallest to the highest score range. Number three is work experience does help a candidate to get job placement as around 85% of not placed candidates are those who had no work experience. And the last one is male salary is relatively higher than female salary, both up by degree, field education, and MBA specialization, which range as 2,891 rupiah per year. And thank you from the Japa team.